So here we are at the Easter steam up for the Train Museum. Here comes the D&RG number 346 as it slowly cranks up the hill a little bit. Got it going slow today. There they were blowing the pop valve because they're overfiring. They can't get the injectors to go. So in this episode of Arts Person Wanderings, I had the fun opportunity to go see the Easter steam up at the Colorado Railroad Museum, and they ran the 346. It was just fun to go kick around and hang at the museum like I always enjoy doing. And as always, thank you for enjoying our videos and coming along for the ride. If you'd like us to film anything else or check out anything else, please leave some comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Jerome signing out, and enjoy the rest of your day.